In this video, let us explore the three most powerful tools every AI professional must know: NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. NumPy gives you super fast math with arrays. Pandas helps you clean, analyze, and manage the data with ease. And Matplotlib allows you to bring your data to life with clear and colorful charts. Together, these libraries form the backbone of AI programming. Let us dive in and see how they make AI smarter and easier. Why is Python the language of choice for AI? It is simple, clean, and easy to read, but the real power comes from its ecosystem of libraries. NumPy gives you the speed and power for scientific computing. Pandas helps you organize and analyze data with ease. And Matplotlib allows you to turn raw numbers into clear and meaningful visuals. Together, these tools form the backbone of AI workflows, helping us pre-process data, build models, and visualize results. Let us talk about NumPy, the engine behind numerical computing in Python. AI models need fast operations like dot products, transposes, and matrix multiplication. Back propagation and gradient descent also depend on efficient computation. That is why NumPy is so important. With features like vectorization to speed up calculation, broadcasting to handle arrays of different shapes, and linear algebra tools like SVD, NumPy makes heavy math simple and fast. In short, NumPy is the backbone that powers AI computations. Now let us talk about Pandas, the ultimate tool for working with data in Python. Raw data is often messy, full of missing values, duplicates, and outliers. Pandas make it easy to clean and prepare the data. You can quickly filter and query to get only the information you need. It allows you to match multiple datasets together and analyze patterns using powerful group and aggregation methods. In short, Pandas turn raw data into insights, making it one of the most important tools in every AI workflow. Finally, let us look at Matplotlib, the library that helps us see and understand data. In AI, visuals are critical. With Matplotlib, we can easily spot trends, outliers, and patterns before training models. We can also track model performance and explain results clearly to others. It supports all types of plots: line, bar, scatter, histogram, with custom titles, labels, and seamless integration with NumPy and Pandas. In short, Matplotlib turns raw numbers into clear insights, making data visualization a powerful step in every AI workflow. So, how do these libraries work together in AI workflows? First, we use Pandas to load and explore data from CSV, SQL, or other sources. Next, the clean data is converted into NumPy arrays for fast and efficient processing. Then, machine learning models are trained using frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, both of which rely on NumPy under the hood. Finally, we use Matplotlib to visualize results, spot insight, and communicate findings. Together, they form a seamless pipeline powering almost every AI project.